Oh boy, here comes Jack. Wow. Hey Jack, what do you think of these boxes? Is this crazy?
Yeah.
Here he comes, kids. Here he comes. Oh, the backhoe crushed it. Jack, your sand stayed in the bucket. Jack was very concerned that he had sand.
I wanted it to be in. Now I need more sand to be in it.
Check it out. The ducks and the geese with their goslings have come to say hi.
Would you just crash right now?
They would love to crash. And the sand is still in there, Jack.
Yeah. Now I can fill out more.
That duck, it's a daddy duck. Kids, can you see the daddy goose there? His neck sticking up? He's protecting the mama and the babies. Wow, they're growing fast. Oh, your sand is pouring out. Look at that, kids. Look at that. We're in the shade. Look at that sand it's leaving. Cool pattern. Oh, he's going in a pattern. Get it, Jack, get it. Go get it. What's he gonna get? Nice. Hey Jack, you want to say goodbye to the kids? Jack got really, really hot in the sun and he told us it's time for a construction break. Right, Jack? Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.
Hi kids! Don't forget to give a like and subscribe.
JackScribe. Subscribe. Bye-bye.